In this video, we will show you how to replace your cam position sensor on this Honda Civic. This will be located mounted directly along the driver's side rear top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The cam position sensor will be located down inside of this area. To gain access to it, let's remove the air filter housing assembly. Up along the top of that housing, you're going to find your mass airflow sensor. Squeeze on the tab, pull it off of there, and give it a quick inspection. Now we'll start removing the wiring coming across the top. In this area, there's a tab that holds this in place. We'll give that a little tug to separate it. This one just goes the opposite way. Now we can start removing the cover here. For this, you'll find that you have 4 locking clips making their way around. Since we have that off of there, let's go ahead and remove the air filter and give it a quick inspection. Now the next thing we'll do is get this tubed area out of the way so we can gain access in and through here. Start by removing this clamp. We'll squeeze it and slide it down the hose. Something to keep in mind is there is coolant inside of this tube, so you want to make sure it's not hot or under pressure. We'll squeeze the clamp, slide it right on down. Grab onto that hose, try to give it a twist to make sure it does free up from the tube. Whenever you remove one of these hoses, you just want to give it a quick squeeze, make sure it's soft and pliable and it's not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. We'll set that aside. Make your way back up along here. Once again, squeeze the clamp, slide it out of the way. Now let's get the tube off of there. At this point, we can pivot this around as needed, and we can gain access right inside of this area. Now we'll continue on with an angled pick and a flat blade screwdriver. We'll be using the angled pick to press on the locking tab, which is right along the driver's side of the connector. Now I'll try to press on this with my flat blade screwdriver and just try to pull it out of place. Every time you disconnect a connector, as I said before, you just want to give it a quick check for corrosion. This one looks fine. We'll move along to our 10mm headed mounting bolt. Let's come right in through this side right here. There's that mounting bolt. Now we'll continue with our angled pick. We want to try to get into the hole where the mounting bolt was and just try to pivot that sensor a little bit. We want to make sure that it is broken free from the engine. Now assuming it is, let's go ahead and pop that out of place. Now we'll use some angled pliers, try to grab onto that sensor, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the engine. It does have an O-ring on it, that's what's holding it in place. Once you pull that out of the engine, everything else should come out with it. There it is. Let's get that right out of there. There it is, friends. Alright friends, let's get ready to install our brand new camshaft position sensor. Before you do so, we're going to take a little bit of lubricant and come right along that O-ring. Make sure it's lubricated all the way around. That will help this slip into the engine as needed. We don't want to break it off, obviously. Now let's take this and carefully slide it into the engine, making sure that it's as flush as possible, and then we'll start in that 10mm headed mounting bolt. Once you have the bolt snug, torque it to 104 inch-pounds. Once you have that torqued, let's continue on to that electrical connector. We'll get this aligned, slide it into place, and listen for a click. You want to make sure it's nice and secure, otherwise you will have a check engine light and possibly a running issue. There's our click. Give that a tug. Now we can start reattaching our tube. Let's go with the area that goes up against that valve cover. We'll put the clamp back in its original position. Continue on to the smaller tube. Grab that clamp. Continue on to your air filter. It can only go in one way. Next is the top. You have this one hooked area that will slide into this rearward area. Once you've done that, we'll make sure that we slide this down into the proper position and lock it in. Let's attach our mass airflow sensor wiring. Got a nice click from that one. Double check everything to make sure it's completely secured. Okay friends, we fully installed our camshaft position sensor. At this point, go ahead and hop in your vehicle, start it up, let it run for a little while. You want to make sure you don't have a check engine light and no runnability issues. After that, you can go ahead and turn off the engine, double check your coolant, and then take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.